Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group. And right now we're going to do a demo of the Cricut Explore Air 2 writing and cutting in fast mode as compared to the Cricut Explore Air. So we're going to do cutting first, and what I've done is that I have loaded the same file, and of course I picked a crown because that's what you guys know me for, and we're going to cut out a crown. And I've already got them set up, and what I've done is that I have the Cricut Explore Air, the original, this one, is running from my desktop version, and my Cricut Explore Air 2 I'm running from my iPhone 6 Plus. So I've already queued them up, I've sent them to the mat. When you need to put it in fast mode, you do need to do that on a mat by mat basis. There's a little icon and I'll show you that, and then once you put it on fast mode, then it's good to go. So let's take a look at that so you know where you have to turn that on, and it's in Design Space, it's not on the machine, so I wanted to make that clear. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was that when you want to put your Cricut Explore Air into fast mode, you have to turn on the fast mode setting on the actual Design Space app. It's not on the computer, it is actually on Design Space. So you would get your material ready just like you normally would, and if you want it on fast mode, underneath where your setting is placed, so this says cardstock, it says fast mode. Okay, it's kind of probably hard to see, it's a little bit small and faint, but you click on that and then it puts it in fast mode. Now you will have a little checkbox if you're looking at it in Design Space on your desktop. This is looking at it on my iOS device, which is an iPhone 6 Plus. But it's the same thing, you would click the fast mode. Now it is dependent by mat. So once you send this to the to the cutter, it's going to cut this in fast mode, but if you send another mat to it, you'll have to go in and you'll have to turn that fast mode on again. I wanted to point that out because I don't want you to be frustrated. So we're ready to get to some cutting and comparing. Okay, now that you've seen how to put the Cricut Explore Air 2 into fast mode, because that is only available on Cricut Explore Air 2, this one, it's not available on Cricut Explore, all right? So here we go. I've got both mats loaded. I've got everything in position. I'm going to hit both of the go buttons at the same time, and let's see. Already you can see that this one started cutting faster. I pressed them at the same time. They were both going at the same time. Wow, this one's already stopped. Okay, this one finally stopped. Okay, so this one stopped significantly sooner. The Cricut Explore Air 2 definitely beat the Cricut Explore Air as far as getting the project cut out faster. Okay, so let me just undo these. And the cut is the same, and I think I mentioned in my overview video comparing the two machines, you know that they both cut all the same material, so one doesn't cut more than another. They both cut beautifully. So they both look great, they both look perfect. So they cut perfectly. This one just cut a whole lot faster. I picked an image that had a little more interest to it, with a little more, you know, it had to go around some curves and do some centerpieces and stuff. So you can see that it definitely cut faster in the fast mode. So if you are looking for a machine that will cut faster, the Cricut Explore Air 2 definitely does that. Okay, so now we're going to do the comparison of writing for both machines. Compare writing. So I'll be right back. Now we're ready to do our test with writing with the Cricut Explore Air 2, this machine set on fast mode. mode because it has that capability compared to writing with the Cricut Explore Air that does not have fast mode capability. So I've got both of them set up. I wrote my name, Debbie O'Neill, is what we're going to be writing, and I set it at 2 inches high and 10 inches wide. And I also picked the Cricut alphabet, and it's in the writing mode. Okay, so it's going to be writing the exact same font, and I've already queued them up. I've got them set up. One is running off my laptop and the other one's running off my iOS device. So let's see. I'm going to hit the go button. Cricut Explore Air is definitely writing faster. The Cricut Explore Air 2, sorry about that. The Cricut Explore Air 2 it's already finished Debbie, it's already done the apostrophe, it's writing the N, and this one still hasn't finished writing Debbie. This one has finished writing the whole word Debbie O'Neill, and this one just now wrote the O. So, Cricut Explore Air definitely seems to be a bit slower than the Cricut Explore Air 2 that has already finished long ago. Alright, it's just now writing the A at the end of my name, and it just is finishing the L. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. So you have this and you have this. So you can see it's the same font written in the same dimensions, and the Cricut Explore Air 2 definitely wrote much faster. So if you are somebody who does a lot of cutting or a lot of writing when you work with your Cricut Explore, or you're looking for a machine that does that much faster, then the Cricut Explore Air 2 might be the best machine for you. And they both cut the same. You can look at my overview video where I compare the features of both of the machines so that you understand all of that. And it's really just the fast mode setting for Cricut Explore Air 2 that makes this one it's the latest model, and it will be available coming soon, October the 20th. You should see it at Cricut.com and also local craft retail stores. And I think I already mentioned before, it comes in 4 different colors. Now Cricut will be continuing to sell the Cricut Explore Air, the original here, and it's still a great machine. So I don't want anybody to think I'm saying this one's better than this one. It's a matter of which features you need, and if writing faster and cutting faster is something you're interested in, then definitely take a look at this machine. But you just saw me do this live. I did not pre-do this. I did it straight out of the box. So no tricks up my sleeve, so to speak. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Leave me comments on the video. Please follow me on YouTube. You can find us over at the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group. Come join us over there. And also my scrapmequickdesigns.com website. And I have a fan Facebook page at Debbie O'Neill Designs. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and you got had a lot of interest in looking at this at least. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Not every machine's for everybody, and I totally understand that. And this was just a unbiased opinion showing you how this works, okay? All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.